Click on the link below to get price. The 3000W/2000W peak dual motor/single motor foldable electric bike is a remarkable entry in the realm of electric bicycles, especially for adults seeking versatility and power. With its robust dual motor system, this bike offers an impressive peak output of 3000 W, ensuring that it can handle steep inclines in challenging terrains with ease. For everyday commutes, the single motor option allows for energy efficiency, transforming the riding experience based on your needs. The bike's design is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Its foldable feature is a standout characteristic, making it easy to store and transport. Whether you live in a compact apartment or want to take it on a road trip, the ability to fold the bike down to a manageable size is a significant advantage. The build quality feels sturdy, instilling confidence during rides. Equipped with a powerful 52V 30Ah lithium battery, this electric bike offers an impressive range. Depending on your riding style and conditions, users can expect to travel between 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long journeys or daily commutes. The battery charges relatively quickly, further enhancing its practicality. The bike's suspension system significantly contributes to comfort, absorbing shocks and bumps on uneven surfaces. Coupled with wide, durable tires, it delivers a smooth ride, whether on city streets or rugged paths. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow for customization, catering to riders of various heights and preferences. In terms of safety, the bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. Bright LED headlights enhance visibility at night, ensuring that you're seen while navigating urban environments. Overall, the 3000W/2000W peak dual motor/single motor foldable electric bike stands out for its powerful performance, practical design, and user-friendly features. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or explore the outdoors, combining convenience with exhilarating speed and efficiency.